to the third one now. Yeah.
So please let me
Okay.
devices.
Okay then.
No sense, please. I'm tired.
How you normally finish and such. Just because that it's time you need to finish second way to come and talk to someone. So that is the reason why
You're used to it.
it's a deal also.
Oh boy. Guys,
Your aspect.
I keep daring myself all the time. I don't know what I'm doing here.
It's a deal also. It's not that easy.
I'm out of breath. Oh my god. One more resting point and I'm out of here. Please. I can't anymore. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am presently in Ondo State for work and I have little time and I'm going to explore Idori Hills and I will be taking you guys along. When you get here, you have to pay like an entrance fee of 1,000 naira, and then there is also an additional fee for like your tour guide. So I'm trying to get that sorted, and then we can start our tour.
Welcome to Idori Blessed Circle. I'm being there by name. I'll be your Toma. So there are two stages.
Okay.
Just for us to have access to the ancient settlement of Idori. Like the tourist expert actually stages on it, as in they have two major zones in Idori Kingdom. There is a core zone, which is the ancient settlement. That is where Idori people settled down for several years. And there is a buffer zone, which is the present location where they moved to at two different bashes respectively. Like today now, the way we want to actually do it, there are two stages. The first stage is just the climbing of the steps, and after the whole steps, that is 682 steps, it will take us to a plateau, like a normal, as a flat surface. When this place comes to an existence, the Olofin and Rimeton that happened to be the progenitor of this summit came all the way from Ile-Ife, and he happened to be the younger brother of Oduduwa. Like today now, they term the place as a Oke Idori. The alternative name is Ife Oke. Idori people will term it as Ife Oke. I hate to say the Ife are the Ito, like they believe that it's an annexed to Ile-Ife. So like this very place now happened to be the one of the ancient town as far as the whole Yoruba land is concerned. Like this place now, whenever they have anything doing, despite the fact they have moved down, they still go up there to observe it. Like their traditional festival is still running up there. Installation of ice ship is still running up there. Installation of a new king, they still go up there to do the normal, as a normal traditional, rites. Whenever they have anything doing. So like today now, unless we finish if we can finish the steps, we still have some other places to go to, like the first primary school in the history of Idori Kingdom that was established in 1896. The Christian Missionary Society that established the school came around in 1894. 2 years after, they now introduced the Western education, and that is what led to the establishment of the first primary school in the history of the Idore Kingdom. The native corps, the prison yard, the mausoleum, where they normally perform the normal burial rites for their kings. Whenever a male child wants to get married, there is a place they normally test them back there. They have something that has to do with the source of their water, the Haitian palace of the Idore Kingdom. As a matter of fact, no matter how smart you are, you can't be able to cover it up in a day. But if you are here for like a research work, there is a place up there you can lodge, or you bring in your content, you mount it around, you mount it at the very top, and it will have you the opportunity to sleep overnight up there, and you will be able to have the opportunity to move around to the extent you really want to go to. It's about 50 kilometers in radius. I mean, this very view, this very topography now, it's about 50 kilometers in radius. Sorry, it's about 50 kilometers in radius. It actually share a boundary, common boundary with different community. We share boundary with Bonjo, share boundary with Irele, share boundary with Ore, share boundary with Benin, share boundary with Owo, and the equally share boundary with Akure community.
In terms of land?
Yes, and last month are very big, and it's a vast land. You're welcome. 50 kilometers in radius. You're welcome.
Alright guys, so I am about to start climbing, and this is the first step. I've taken the first step.
This is the first resting point.
Yeah.
We are standing on now, we are done with 75. Right from the starting point. Only the maybe after one resting point. So like, we came all the way from the eastern part of Egypt.
Resting point 2. Point 2, you can see the view. Resting point 3. Resting point number 4. This is resting number 5.
Yeah. That's the picture.
660 steps. Wow.
There are parts where we are picking this place with the remaining 22 steps. So this route to the Haitian settlement of Idore. We want to go and see the clear picture of where we are coming from. So before we go further, let's go to like 2 places.
So I made it to the hill. I made it to the hilltop.
Ondo eki mo gbọ́ ọmọ rẹ́yìn dáadáa ẹ̀ ń bẹ́lẹ̀ ní abẹ́ròde ẹ̀yìnkùlé lẹ́wà ní àbọ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan lé bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ń bẹ nínú ilé kẹ́ ẹ jáde sí mi bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ń bẹ ní kọ̀rọ̀ yàrá ẹ bóde wá àjísọpẹ́ lóde ẹ̀sùn bí wọ́n máa relé àwọn bàbá ẹ̀yìn wọ́n relé Ondo eki mo gùn ṣèbẹ́yìn lọ́mọ ajájá torítorí ẹ̀yìn lọ́mọ.
Like I rightly said the other time, Idore people live up here for several years. And they really want to have an access to modern ways of life. That is the reason why they decided to move down at 2 different batches. The first set of people 1928, and those who want to Alade Idore. The second set of people 1933 to Odode Idore. The first set of people is just because of religious crisis, and the second set of people because of civilization. And ever since they moved down, there are so many things they are still coming up to observe. So where we are standing on now is about 3,000 feet above sea level. But this track is this house now, that new roof now belongs to Chief Ejigeme of the Idore Kingdom. Now straight road, that is the palace. So you can see the building there. So one of the amazing parts of it is that they built it inside the rock. Like when you look at this massive rock, this is how it actually built the face. So this one for maximum security. That is why they build it there. This ancient palace now is the existence is over 1,000 years. So it's still already there. So it's automatic. And they happen to be the one that introduced the Western education. And that is what led to the establishment of this school in 1996. This is St. Paul Igboore Elementary Primary School. St. Paul Igboore Elementary Primary School, just to teach them how to read and write. They used to come out from the summit, the Haitian settlement, just to come and school here. And at the closing hour, they go back the same way.
That's right. Oh, that's for me. Thank you. I'm at the top of the mountain. There are farms here. And I just got a mango. Yay. Thank you. Fresh mangoes. Thank you. I'm going down. I'm going down. I'm going down. I'm going back. I'm done. I can't believe I made it. I climbed and I got down after all my drama. And the tour guide was so patient and extremely nice. At this point, I can't wait to get back to Lagos, to be honest, because I've been through it today.